So today we're on the GoPro and we're playing a game of pig with Louis. We're going to play rock, paper, scissors to see who sets first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I set first. My first set's going to be a buttercup. He lands it.
I'm going to just do a kick this.
My set's going to be a kickless on that ramp. I land it. One's kickless. To the left.
Actually a triple one.
Triple effect. He lands it. My next set is going to be a kicky bright. 1 foot. This is Louis' second attempt. Oh.
Do a Mac.
Alright, he's going to do a Mac. Let's hope he lands it. George Brooks is going to call me a set. I think Louis should do a whip front. His attempt on the whip front. Oh, you got 2 more tries. Louis' third attempt. This is Louis' last attempt. Come on. Oh. Looks like I won the game of pig. I'll try and do another one. And yeah.